Guys, magandang hapon guys. Kain tayo guys, panghapunan guys. Ito guys oh. Itong ulam ko guys, sariwang gulay guys na pinakuluan lang konti. Konti guys, na pinakuluan lang konti guys oh. So guys, kain na tayo guys. Itong masarap guys oh. Hapunan guys. Sarap naman guys. Higop tayo ng sabaw guys. Sarap guys. Sarap talagang gulay guys oh. Fresh talaga guys. Masarap talaga guys. Inaluhan ko na lang ng kunting isda guys oh, para maging masarap guys. Guys, masarap talagang kain ko dito guys. Guys oh. Kain naman si Boy Sariwa guys ng napaka-fresh kong gulay dito guys. Pinalo ko guys. Talbos ng sayote guys at saka papaya guys. Pinalo ko guys. Masarap talaga guys. Sarap talaga guys oh. Sabaw guys. Okay guys, masarap talaga guys. Thank you.